Hi everybody, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to import a topic into one of your classes. We will be putting our weekly plans into a topic in each of our classes so that kids can access it and have it be in a consistent place across the classes that they take. So I go into my course, I choose topics. I don't have any topics there. I'm a person who hasn't used topics yet this year, and it's pretty simple. I'm going to go to import over here on the right, and you can see that this has been preloaded in here. It's probably thank you very much to Hillary. I check that, hit save, and there it is. As a teacher, I have access to the editing privilege for this topic. I'm going to click on that. It loads and I can edit from here. The important pieces are office hours. So I can edit this text box to add my office hours. I can edit this text box to put in links to my office hours. I can do the same here for my synchronous classes with either text or links. So that's pretty handy. This text box down here will allow you to edit your synchronous plans. So for the week coming up, my synchronous plan, my class meets on Friday. Goals. I'm going to put this in English, but reconnect with classmates and discuss EP exam changes. And then I would add some tasks here. Watch a video and have some conversation in Spanish. Yeah, yep, capital S. Save. And I go back to topics and it should be there. There we go, Thursday, Friday. Oh, I put it in the wrong place. Imagine that. There, but that should be up in the synchronous plan. I would do it more carefully before publishing it, and I will do it again. But that is how you import your weekly plan into the topic for weekly plans. Not difficult, but it will take a little bit of practice, obviously. Thank you very much. Good night.